All right, well, we are going to be in store for quite the weekend. It looks like not only do we get the rain back in here, but it's going to be cool and it's just going to be downright gloomy and dismal for us on Saturday and Sunday. But the system is coming in from the west. We'll be watching out for more of those showers as we head on into tonight, and that will continue on into Saturday. And guess what? Even as we head on into Sunday. A look at your current conditions. Some clouds out there, maybe a little sun, but temperatures right now in those lower 60s. Winds around 14 miles per hour. Looking at our temperatures, well, we're in the lower 60s here in Marquette. As you head farther off to the west, you'll notice some numbers a bit cooler, 55 in Houghton, 57 over into Ironwood, 60s as you head farther south and eastward, middle 60s showing up in Munising and Manistee at 71, into St. Ignace and down into Escanaba at 64 degrees. Winds out of the east or east-northeast here into Marquette at 9, 11 as you head over into Munising, 13 heading from the southeast in Iron Mountain and at 8 miles per hour in Escanaba. We'll see more of a southeasterly flow throughout the evening force, and for tomorrow it looks to change out of the west-southwest as we head on into our day there. But looking at temperatures across the state, much warmer as you go farther downstate. 86 showing up in Grand Rapids, 83 in Lansing, while we are dealing with the more mild air mass. But as we head on into the evening, we'll be watching out for that next wave of rain to work its way on in, and we'll continue to see that on into our Saturday, which looks to be just wet and gloomy for us. And afterwards, yeah, really seeing those numbers cool off by next week, Sunday, Monday, maybe even Tuesday. High temperatures only look to remain in the 50s for us, which is about a good 10 degrees off of their averages for this time of the year. So it is going to be quite the weekend. Make sure to just maybe when you head outside, have that umbrella ready with you, or maybe even a rain jacket, or no outdoor plans at all. Make sure just try to stay inside. But here's a look at our setup. We'll watch out for this rain to come in as we go on into the weekend. It will sweep into the Great Lakes. Jet stream a little farther to the south. That is going to allow that cool air to be in place for us as we head over into Saturday and Sunday, and even as we head on into Monday and Tuesday. So not much really changing as we go on into next week, as it looks like this pattern will be setting up for at least for the next 4 days for us, with this system not being a quick mover whatsoever at all. Your Futurecast model, watching out for more of the rain to come in as we head on into the evening. You can see that the system does continue to wrap around more of that moisture for us. So we'll see that on into Saturday, and also as we head on into Sunday with more of it spinning in from the northwest. Tonight we'll drop down to 47 degrees, a cool and wet evening. Winds out of the southwest between 5 to 15 miles per hour. As we head on into our Saturday, we'll be expecting not too nice of a day for us by any means. Winds out of the west-southwest between 5 to 15, gloomy, cool, and wet. High temperatures, upper 50s as you head into Lawrence at 58, 60 degrees in Ontonagon, 64 as you head into Crystal Falls, and lower 60 showing up in Escanaba and in Manistee. 60 degrees in Munising and Marquette. It looks like we'll top off at 61. Now for a look at your 7-day forecast. Saturday will be on the cooler side at 61. Sunday, even cooler, a high of 59 degrees with our low at 44. More rain expected on that day, and even for us on Monday, it looks like we'll keep the rain chances around with highs in the upper 50s and lows in the lower 40s. As we get on into the latter portions of next week, though, it looks like we do begin to dry out. Tuesday through next Friday, partly to maybe mostly clear for us, especially as we head into Wednesday, with highs right around those 60s and upper 50s yet again. So this cool air mass is going to hang around at least for the next 7 days, and that's what it looks like it's going to happen. But for the next 3 days, what we'll also need are our umbrellas. So make sure to have those handy as you head out tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday.